Page number 93, that first paragraph. The following day, Hardy went into action. Ramanujan must be brought to England, Hardy decided. Money was not a major problem. Trinity had usually been good at supporting unorthodox talent. The college had been the same for Kapista a few years later. Once Hardy was determined, no human agency could have stopped Ramanujan, but they needed certain amount of help from a superhuman one. So in this paragraph we see Hardy went into action. So he started to take action. He wanted to bring Ramanujan to England. Ramanujan must be brought to England, Hardy decided. He decided that Ramanujan must come to England. And money was not major problem for him because they were helping unorthodox. Who is the person unorthodox? Those who are not following the traditions. But here in his family, they were following the tradition and customs, and they were very strict with their customs. But still, people were there to help. And Hardy wanted to help Ramanujan. And also it was same for Kapista. Here meaning of Kapista, Soviet physicist and Nobel laureate. That means Russian physicist. Is the Russian physicist. What is the meaning of determined? Here, determined means firm decision. Ramanujan had taken firm decision, and after this nobody could stand obstacle for him, and everybody must agree to go to England. No human agency could have stopped Ramanujan, but they needed certain amount of help from a superhuman one. Only thing what they wanted is someone must help Ramanujan because he is coming from poor family. Ramanujan turned out to be a poor clerk in Madras, Chennai, living with his wife on 20 pounds a year. So he was a poor clerk in Madras, Chennai. He was usually strict about his religious observances. He was very strict to follow all the religious traditions. With a mother who was even stricter. Not only his mother was very strict. And whenever mother spoke to him, whenever mother asked him, he always said yes. He did not say no to mother. Though mother was strict, he was very obedient child to his mother. He listened to his mother. It seemed impossible that he could break the ban and cross the water. Means he had to break the rules and regulation, what he was following, the tradition what he was following. And in their custom, they are not allowed to travel from their country to other country. But still he had to take decision because he wanted to go and study. He wanted to become a famous person. He wanted to become an Indian mathematician. Fortunately, his mother had the highest respect for the goddess of Namakkal. You understood? Namakkal is the goddess. In that place, Namakkal was the goddess. And she was very faithful. Mother was very faithful. So mother was very faithful to the goddess of Namakkal. And one morning, Ramanujan's mother made a startling means here surprising announcement. She made a surprising announcement. What surprising announcement she made? She had a dream the previous night. What did she dream? In which she saw her son seated in a big hall among a group of Europeans, and the goddess of Namakkal had commanded her not to stand in the way of her son fulfilling his life's purpose. So one day she had a dream. What did she dream? Okay, Ramanujan was sitting in a big hall among the group of Europeans. So the goddess of Namakkal had commanded her not to be obstacle for his likeness. So because of that, his mother made an announcement. The goddess of Namakkal came in her dream. Because of that, she said, my son will go to England immediately. This Ramanujan's Indian biographers was a very agreeable surprise to all concerned. So everybody were surprised that mother had announced a surprising announcement. Religious observances. She was strictly following religious observances. In 1914, Ramanujan arrived in England. In which year he had arrived in England? 1914 he had arrived in England. So far as Hardy could detect, though in this respect I should not trust his insight, for Ramanujan, despite the difficulties of breaking the caste laws, did not believe much in theological doctrine. What is the meaning of theological doctrine? It is a set of beliefs about God and religion. He did not believe in those things. But except for a vague pantheistic benevolence. What is the meaning of pantheistic benevolence? It means that born out of many gods. But he did certainly believe in rituals. He believed in rituals. When Trinity put him up in college, within 4 years he became a fellow. So within 4 years he became the part and he became the member of that place. He became the member of the Trinity. He became the member of the Trinity. What is the meaning of Alan St. Abian means fellow of Trinity. That means he became the member of the Trinity. He changed pajamas. Ritually, he changed into his pajamas, cooking vegetables rather miserably in a frying pan his own room. That means he had changed his own dress code and also food style. He was not eating non-veg. You understood what is the meaning of non-veg? He did not eat non-veg. But after going there, he had to follow whatever food they were eating. Dress code also. The culture of that country. He even changed his dress into pajamas and also he started to eat non-veg.